it's Karina and welcome to Literacy Lunch. On today's lunch, I'm going to talk about B-D reversals. This is really common in young learners because the letter B and the letter D look really similar. They both have lines that go down and circles at the bottom. The tricky part is remembering which direction the circles go. So I'm going to share an activity with you that I really like and it works really well. You're going to start by laying out your letter cards in order. So you have your A, B, C, D, and E. This is really important because you want your student to have a visual. You're going to then ask your student to make a fist in both hands and stick their thumbs up in the air. And if you notice, the left hand forms the letter B and the right hand forms the letter D. You're going to ask your student to say the letters in sequence, and as they get to the letter, they're going to put their fist down on the letter. So it looks something like this: A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. You'll want to repeat this and practice this over and over and over again. This multisensory activity gives the student a really nice visual, but also a movement with the visual, so they'll remember in the future which hand starts with the letter B and which hand starts with the letter D. If you liked today's video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions regarding B and D reversals, feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you on the next Literacy Lunch.